Hey guys, it's me, WolfLexen again, and I'm back. And I just uploaded a video for no reason. I don't know, but I wanted to upload another video. What the? Oh shoot! oh no! Oh chicken nugget! Oh! Wow! I'm recording it, and I just dropped all my pens on the side, on the floor, and that's just a piece of bad. I'm probably gonna get some back to work, aren't I? What is it? What is it, boss? What do you want? What do you want? What the hell do you want? Hi to XD. I am recording. I can't believe I just took all my freaking pens off the side of the table. No, I'm done. Now the paper! Are you serious? What the hell is going on? I'm like, damn this crap. What? Yup, I am. Say hi to YouTube, boy. Yup, I am. Yup, I am. Say hi to YouTube. Seriously. Why are you? I don't know. I feel like it. And why are you asking? I don't know. I feel like it. And what? And why are you asking? In your face! Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. He just shut the door on my face! Oh my god, he shut the door on my face. Kill you for her. What's going on YouTube, boy? I don't know why I'm dancing. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Let's play this up. Hold up. It's in that night. It's cake time! It's cake time! Poor girl. This is going on YouTube, you idiot. I got my cousin's blood, you see? Why do I care? Seriously, who cares? Who cares about you? Man, nobody cares about you, seriously. Nobody cares about you. You might... I might what? You might want to kill. What the hell are you saying, idiot? I ain't even working, so ooh yeah. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Okay, I'll stop now. I'm the manager. Boy. You walk and you'll need walk. You need to walk. Walk, sis. I'll give you a promotion because you're working. Good job. Good job. Good job, miss. We need... What do you want? Ah! Don't choose a flipping drink when you feel, oh, it's me but fat. Come on, let me talk to me. Welcome, may I take your order? I'm not sure what I want yet. I would go for a sausage pizza, please. Wow, whoa, nice job. Where's your manners? Where the hell are your manners, boy? You're going to get in trouble if you don't say your manners. Say your manners. Say your manners. You need manners. Thank you. You get bonus. Employee of the day. Yeah, put employee of the day. Employee of the day. Good job. Good job. Where the hell's he going? Cashier. Cashier. Good job, I'll just do that. Like it's fucked. Sure. What the hell should I do now? We need a fucking... Oh, you... Okay, bye. Now I don't know what to do. Let's watch this. Everybody, let's watch this all together because we're family. Bullies, no likes bullies. Aww, you idiots. Why the hell would you do that to a poor boy? You mean all your pocket money? Please don't. Hey, don't do that to her. Oh, not enough my flipping money. Please stop. Want to be a hero, huh? I'm never gonna look at them. Don't let me ever see your face again. Well, that's a bit harsh, you idiot. What the hell am I saying? No problem. See you at the school. Math. And then after math, it's the end of the day. Oh my god, look, they actually made a glitch. This is just stupid. Why are you bullying a poor boy, you idiot? I'm just gonna bully 3D. No. Please good. Let's see this one. High hopes, yes, I love the high hopes. Flip. Oh yeah, you guys can't see the full screen. But hopes. Hello. Say hi to YouTube. Oh, you're so funny. Now this, the thingy, this, make sure it's a screen recorder, and the cousins use this, and we now have a channel.
Oh, I am interested, babe. I will look at it today.
Okay.
What's that?
Yeah, that's my code. Yeah.
Because I want you to show me.
Yeah, well.
What, we're picking Yami in 2 hours.
So what do you mean 2 hours?
We're picking him up in 2 hours. You're going to get ready in an hour.
Okay.
What you wearing? Shorts? Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
And what else?
I don't know.